And welcome back to tazwells12. You're my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a good one because it's basically like a dupe. Well, I haven't tried the original, but this is what it's meant to be a dupe of. The video is going to be a skin care review testing tutorial. Not tried this product out before, so it's brand new and I'm going to try it out, go out for a few hours with it on and see what it's like, and we can give it a proper review testing tutorial. Before we get into the video, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is if you like the product, the video, anything in this video or the whole content as a whole, please let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up, because if you give that thumbs up, it'll tell me what you like, it'll tell me what you want to see, and then other people can see it and the video will go around. So definitely do that. Also subscribe to tazwells12. I know that a lot of you have come and joined, it's really good, but if more of you could come, that would be fabulous, and join the love family, it would be great. So you can do that by hitting the subscribe button on my main page and the bell notification, because that will tell you when I've uploaded a new video and you can see it there and then. Comment down below if you like the product or anything in this video, then comment down below and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention, it's just literally what I saw, what I wanted to buy, what I fancy basically, and it's just an advice video for you. So I thought, yeah, do the video because it might be worth it. So not sponsored at all. Check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram. I have tazwells12, which is my main normal account, and then you have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we'll get into the skin care review testing tutorial video. The product that we're going to review is this product in this little box. As you can see, this is the LACURA Banana Souffle Face Cream. There is 50 ml in here, and it comes in this lovely little box, which I really do like, so I don't know if I'll get rid of that. And it says it's with banana fruit juice, turmeric extract, and centella elastica extract. I don't know if I pronounced any of that right, but you probably can see it here if I bring it to the camera. I saw this product. This has obviously come from Aldi. I cannot remember the price of it, but it was quite expensive. It wasn't cheap. It was nearly like 5 or 6 quid, but there was quite a few to choose from. There was like overnight masks and day masks, like different little skincare dupes, because this is meant to be a dupe for the Glow recipe. Never tried the Glow recipe before. There was a pineapple serum I really wanted to try, but like I said, they were really quite expensive. I know the Glow recipe is more expensive, but for Aldi it was a little bit expensive. So I got this one because it was literally banana scented, or banana in it, and I love a bit of banana. I love banana scents, smells, taste, like literally love it. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just one of them ones I will go for or every single time. It's a very unusual one as well, because not a lot of people use banana. So when I saw this, I was like, I'm gonna go for that. Home, unwrapped it, it's all in cellophane, and open the box. Product looks like this, which is really bougie for Aldi. Nice. This is a plastic lid, this is glass, so this would look lovely in the box or out the box on like a shelf, or with all your skincare. Lovely. Say anything else more. So I opened the lid and it definitely smells of banana. It's it's incredible. It hits you straight away. Like, I can't smell it again, but it's incredible. So that's what it looks like in the tub, which I was a little bit disappointed about, because there doesn't look like loads in here, if that makes sense. It probably is, but it just doesn't look like that. Again, love the design of what they've done. They've done it very simple. Love it, just great. I'm going to test and tutorial this out. I'm going to put my hair up with my little beauty band thing to get my fringe out of the way and get all my hair out of the way. And then we're going to put it on my face, and then we'll probably talk about it. I'll probably go off and review it, and I'll come back and be like, is my face gritty? Is it nice? Is it done well for a couple of hours? How I feel moisturised still? So that's basically how the video is going to go. So I'm going to put this on my head now, and we will get into this product. If anyone wants to know where this band is from, I don't normally go for these, but because it was a nice red colour, I went for it. So I actually got this out of Home Bargains. I think it was an influencer like collaboration, but really love it. It's like a velvety red. It's really cute. Put that on my face. My face needs some moisturiser in it. Like, it's just very dry in areas. I just want to let you know that I've got a mirror here. You can obviously see some nail varnishes that I've got on my little desk, but that's absolutely fine. But yeah, I need to get some moisture into my face. So I thought, let's do this. I've got to go out for a couple of hours, and then I'll come back and then review it properly. There's no instructions of how to put this on your face, so we're just going to go with like a normal face cream moisturiser. I'm going to take the stuff out of the lid. So I'm just going to take some scoops and just like dot it on my face, because we can always put some more on. It's not a thing. Do you know what? I've waited to test this out with you guys because I had it in my drawer for a little while and I could not wait, basically. So that's why I'm trying to get the review out as quick as possible. So I've basically done that, so I can get it down my neck as well. Might need a bit more on my forehead, like that. That's it. That's how I normally do with my cream. So we're just going to rub it on, and then we can give a nice review. Smells insane. Do you know what? This smells insane. Oh, it smells great. Probably need a little bit more though, because my face is quite drenched. So I probably will put a little bit more on, because this is literally soaking into my face. So that's good in a way, but right, that's lovely. Right, so just use a little bit more in areas, probably at my forehead and probably my cheeks and my chin. So a lot of it went into my nose. Well, I can tell from this already, like I've said about the smell, it smells insane. So that's really, really good. It's very cooling. I can feel a cooling sensation, which is nice. It's obviously working because my face felt really drenched, so it's obviously just sucked the moisture up. So that's good that there's got moisture in it. So you might be able to use makeup over this, because a lot of face creams and everything you can. There's just some, if they're really, really oily, that you can't. But like, there is a glow. You can see the glow on my face, on the ring light. Like, there's just a glow there, which is lovely. If I was going out for the day, I might just shove this on and it would be like really nice. Also, you could put a little bit of concealer over this, because it's literally dried so lovely. Like, it is tacky. Like, you could put concealer, foundation over this. Might have to do that another day and try that out for you, but today I just want it just to leave it as it is. But I think that's really, really nice. Like, at the moment I am really loving that. Like, that has given me a nice glow. It looks like my face is fresh and healthy. Yes, I got some horrible spots, but like, it looks nice. It looks like I've woken up for the day now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go off for a little bit, do what I've got to do, and then I will come back and review it after a couple of hours, just to say, has it felt horrible? Has it felt even better? Felt nice? You can live with it, you can carry on with it. I'm going to do that and I will be back. Right, I'm back from what I did. So it's been a couple of hours now, and literally it's pucker. It's pucker. I just left it to just do its thing. The tackiness is gone, but that's obviously where my face is like quenched it in. Very moisturising, and if you have dry skin, it literally will suck it in. And it's just, yeah, it's just great. Honestly, I will be using this quite a lot if like my skin feels really like tacky or really horrible or dry patches, because literally all my dry areas, like around my nose and everywhere, and like around my, yeah, literally around my nose I get the worst, and it's just literally sucked it all in. So great little prep if you're going out for the night, or if you just want your face to feel a bit more moisturized or feeling better, then definitely try it out. It's great, so definitely worth what it is. My verdict on it is a massive thumbs up. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video, which is about the skincare review testing tutorial on the last year banana souffle face cream. Like I said, it was 100%, so definitely thumbs up for that. But we have come to the end. But if you like the video or the product or any advice I give you, then definitely give it a thumbs up to tell me what you like, tell me more content, and then other people can see it and like it too. Definitely subscribe to my channel, which is on the subscribe button on my main channel, and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Comment down below on anything on the video, and I'll 100% comment back to you and like your comment. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands, it's just my review, testing tutorial, what I fancy buying, what I thought would be a good and advice video for you guys. No sponsored at all. Check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. Hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon.